dekorasyon, mga bulaklak, prutas, laruan at iba pang simbolo ang kasaganahan ng mga bilayang tinatanggap at pinagyayaman sa loob ng paaralan. Ang mga elementong ito ay hindi lamang palamuti kundi paalala ng bawat ani ay bunga ng sipag, pananampalataya at patuloy na pagkatuto. Ang mga when their love for the water has evolved into a dynamic community of athletes, fitness trainers and coaches committed to sharing their knowledge and inspiring others. For this year's Cityhood, Strength Project has partnered with Tanawan City's Pride, Sagwan Tanawan, the official Dragon Boat team. In Sagwan Tanawan Dragon Boat team is the only Dragon Boat team in the province of Batangas and the only junior Dragon Boat team in the Philippines accredited by the PCKBF. In 6 years, Water District, established since 2019 to improve the provision of water and wastewater services in the city of Tanawan, the province of Batangas, allowing its customers to enjoy safe simbolo sa sipag, tiyaga at pagmamahal sa pagluluto. Sa bawat pangkok ng mainit na Batangas bulalo, bawat serving ng kalderetang kambing, sinaing na tulingan at loming Batangas, dama ang tunay na lasa ng lutong bahaw na kinalakihan ng bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Noong December 8, 2017, ito ay naging isang mas malaking restaurant. Patunay na kapag may dedikasyon at suporta ang komunidad, ang maliit na pangarap ay kayang maging malaking tagumpay. At dahil sa patuloy na pagtangkilik ng aming mga suki, ipinagmamalaki namin na buksan ang ikalawang sangay noong June 18, 2024 sa Barangay San tradisyon ng Mando at Elvis Lutong Bahay ay ang makilala bilang isang kainan na nangunguna sa paghahain ng malinis, masarap at murang pagkain. Layunin ng mapagbigay ng mataas na kalidad ng serbisyo na higit sa inaasahan ng mga customers. At syempre, dala namin ang tatak Batangas na sigaw. Alain ka, sarap gadine, isang paanyaya sa mga tao na maranasan ang tunay na lutong bahay. Muli, flow number 8, Mando and Elvis Lutong Bahay. From Cluster 1. The presentation stands Flora for You, symbolizing the bountiful harvest of flowers, not only as products of the earth, but as expressions of life, celebration, and prosperity. The vibrant blossoms represents the rewards of patience, hard work, and dedication, much like the farmer awaiting a fruitful harvest. Towering flower carnations and majestic butterflies embody transformations and renewal, reminding us that every seed planted with passion blossoms into opportunity. Surrounding the flow by rich Filipino native elements, bahay kubo, wooden hearts, wooden hats, baskets, and other native handicrafts, honoring our agriculture roots and paying tribute to the hands that cultivate the land and crops. This traditional accent symbolizes simplicity, heritage, and enduring beauty of Filipino culture, supporting their harvest journey by its springs and signs representing of Anna and the Sin Storm. Until the founder couple Mariano R. Lirio Sr. and Kenisha Malabangan Lirio would undergo lista sa lungsod ng Tarawan na nabuo at itinatag noong taong 2022 at binubuo ng mga Tanaweños na mahilig at kawasan na sinasamahan ng mga bagong teknolohiya sa medisina. Sa ibang ito, ang mga batang doktor at pasyente ang nagsisilbing buhay na ugnayan ng ating kasaysayan at ang masiglang kinabukasan. Sa Yuling, ang bawat pagsusuri ay may malasakit at bawat pasyente ay bahagi ng ating sa bawat anak ng kalusugan. Muli,
Checkups and diagnostics, healthcare you can trust. Serving care, no one with excellence in care we proudly stand. One of the finest in the town, quality care all around. Healthy lives, brighter days, you lead the way. Halika na, tara na. Festival ng Mag-isa, Artisaya, sa lungsod na masigla. Healing hands, modern care, diagnostics everywhere. For your health we proudly stand. You excelling our life. Health and wellness is our right. Tanawan, Tanawan, Tanawan. Festival of joyful
muli ang mga binalagin mula sa Yuling, isang pinaglalakay at malupok na kinabukasan sa ating lahat.
festival now.
Maraming salamat po, Block number 15. Yuling Medical and Diagnostic Center. Yung maginabas, kaya ulan ay tatago ang karapang garasyon at nakilala ito sa kanilisan, magagandang hayaman at hardin at mababait na staff. Mayroon din itong bistro na may magandang view at masasarap na pagkain. Dahil dito, maraming bisita ang pumupunta ng mga officer. Ngayon naman po ay masasaksihan natin ng dance presentation mula sa street dancers from Cluster 6.
Walter, ginagawa na pa Walter. Yung Walter na
City of Tanawa. At the heart of 10 castles is the main castle and the home to Castle Rock. A realm of immersive exhibits filled with diverse activities. Guests can explore captivating worlds with rides and games that evoke nostalgic memories. The narrative within the castle centers around captivating characters traveling through time from past to the future. Castle Studios presents